Have you ever wondered why some animals in a population seem to be better adapted to their environment than others? It all comes down to genetic variations. Genetic variations are differences in an individual's genes that make them unique. These variations can give some individuals an advantage in surviving and reproducing in a specific environment. Let's take the example of a population of rabbits. Imagine that in this population, some rabbits have genes that make them faster runners than others. If a predator, like a fox, comes to hunt the rabbits, the faster rabbits have a better chance of escaping and surviving. Now, let's say that over time, the predator becomes faster too. In this new environment, the rabbits that are even faster than the previous fast ones have a higher chance of survival, because they can outrun the predator. As a result, these rabbits are more likely to reproduce and pass on their fast genes to their offspring. The same principle applies to other traits as well. For example, in a population of birds, those with longer beaks may have an advantage in reaching food that is buried deeper in the ground. In an environment where this kind of food is plentiful, birds with longer beaks are more likely to survive and pass on their genes for longer beaks to their offspring. Over time, these advantageous traits can become more common in a population, as individuals with those traits are more likely to survive and pass them on to their offspring. It's important to note that genetic variations can continue to evolve over time, as environmental changes can shift which traits are advantageous. So, genetic variations can give some individuals an advantage in surviving and reproducing in a specific environment. And that's how genetics can play a big role in the survival and success of a population.